Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. The topic for today's video is how you can access games on Temu app. Let's get started without wasting any time. Guys, please do not skip the video and follow me step by step. First of all, you can see there's this icon of Temu app on my screen. I'll click it. After clicking this icon, you can see it brings me to this home page, and now I have to choose the U option on the bottom middle of my screen. Here you can see it brings me to this page where I'll select settings. After that, I'll make sure that country and region selected is US. Guys, please make sure that the country and region selected is US. It is very important. Then you can go back. After that, you have to go to earn credits and free gifts. Basically, these are the games. You can access cash and rewards from here, and you can access games from here. It's your personal preference, whichever one you want to play. I'll start this one. Guys, here you can see there are many games available. I can play. So basically I have won a jackpot, and you can see I got one free gift. Guys, now I have to pick two gifts and I can avail them later. This was a simple and easy process. I hope you liked my video, and if you did, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.